Good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Today I going to teach you subject GK topic sources of water. But before let me tell you date, day, weather and season. Which date? Which date? 6/11/2020. Which day? Friday. How's weather outside? Cold. Which season going on? Winter season. Okay. Look here children. Open your book number 2, page number 6. Book number 2 and page number 6. NATURL natural, SOURCES sources, OF of WATER water, natural sources of water. Okay, look here children. Which picture is this? Rain. Which picture is this? Rain. 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 Okay. And next, which picture is this? Lake. 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 Which picture is this? River. 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 And next, last picture, sea. Which picture is this? Sea. SEAC. Okay. Picture related question and answer. Look here children. Question 1. WHICH. Which? ARER. NATURL natural. SOURCES sources. OF of WATER water. Which are natural sources of water? Natural sources of water में rain, lake, river and sea आता है. Answer, which are natural sources of water? So answer RAIN rain, LAKES lakes, RIVERS rivers, AND and SEAC, ARER NATURL natural, SOURCES sources, OF of WATER water. Rain, lakes, rivers and sea are natural sources of water. And next question, HOW how, DOES does, WATER water, GET get, COLLECTED collect, IN in, RIVERS AND and, SEAC, THROUGH throw, RAIN rain. Water gets collected in rivers, lake and sea through rain. How does water get collected in rivers, lake and sea? Answer, water get collected in rivers, lake and sea through rain. And next question, WHY do, WEV NOT not, DRINK drink, SEAC WATER water. Why do we not drink sea water? So answer, we do not drink sea water because it is salty. सी का वाटर कैसा होता है? Salty. Why do we not drink sea water? We do. हमें सी का वाटर क्यों नहीं पीना चाहिए? क्योंकि उसका टेस्ट सॉल्टी होता है. We do not drink sea water because it is salty. Okay. And next page, same book 2 पेज नंबर 7. MAN man, MADE mad, SOURCES sources, OF of, WATER water. Man made sources of water. Which picture is this? Dam. DAM, dam. Which picture is this? Well. WELL, well. You know children, which picture is this? Well. And next, which picture is this? Overhead tank. OVER, over, HEAD, head, TANK, tank, overhead tank. And next, which picture is this? Head pump. HAND, hand, PUMP, pump, head pump. जो यहाँ पिक्चर ड्रॉ किए हुए हैं उससे रिलेटेड ये क्वेश्चन आंसर है. ओके, लुक हियर चिल्ड्रन. क्वेश्चन 1. WHICH which, ARER, MAN man, MADE mad, SOURCES sources, OF of, WATER water. Which are man-made sources of water? जो मैन ने बनाए हुए होते हैं उसका यहाँ पिक्चर दिया गया हुआ है. कौन क्या क्या बनाते हैं वो लोग? वेल्स, हेड पंप्स, ओवरहेड टैंक एंड डैम्स. WELLS वेल्स, HAND हैंड, PUMPS हेड पंप्स, OVER ओवर, HEAD हेड, ओवरहेड, TANKS tank and dams, DAMS dams. ARER MAN man, MADE mad, SOURCES sources, OF of, WATER water. Well, head pump, overhead tanks and dams are man-made sources of water. And next question, HOW how, DOES does, WATER water, REACH reach, OUR our, HOMES homes. How does water reach our homes? WATER water, IS is, SUPPLIED supplied, THROUGH through, PIPS pipes, AND and, TAPS taps into our homes. अपने घर में पानी कैसे आता है? Water is supplied through pipes and taps into our homes. And next, question 3. HOW how, IS is, WATER water, STORED stored, AT at, HOME home. Answer, WATER water is STORED stored, AT at, HOME home, IN in, BUCKET buckets, AND and, STORANG storage, TNKS tanks. How is water stored at home? हम अपने घर में स्टोरेज रखते हैं ना पानी का. बकेट्स एंड स्टोरेज टैंक्स. टैंक्स और बकेट हम पाइप से टैप में आता है तो हम बकेट और स्टोरेज टैंक में भरते हैं. वाटर इज stored at home in buckets and storage tanks. Okay, and next page, same book number 2, page number 1/4/14. WRITE write, N, FOR for, NATURL natural, AND and M, FOR for, MAN man, MADE mad, SOURCES sources, OF of, WATER water. जो नेचुरल है उसमें हमें एन राइट करना है, और जो मैन मेड सोर्सेज है उसमें हमें एम राइट करना है. विच पिक्चर इज दिस? डैम. सो राइट हियर एम. विच पिक्चर इज दिस? डैम. डैम मैन मेड सोर्सेज है, इसीलिए हम एम राइट करेंगे. एंड नेक्स्ट, विच पिक्चर इज दिस? हैंड पंप. HAND हैंड, PUMP पंप, हैंड पंप. हैंड पंप भी मैन मेड सोर्सेज है, इसीलिए हम यहाँ भी एम राइट करेंगे. सो राइट हियर एम. एंड नेक्स्ट, which picture is this? River. Which picture is this? River. RIVER, river. River is a natural sources. So write here N. So write here N. And next picture is sea. SEA. sea नेचुरल सोर्सेज है, इसीलिए हम यहाँ भी एन राइट करेंगे. सो राइट हियर एन. एंड नेक्स्ट, विच पिक्चर इज दिस? लेक. विच पिक्चर इज दिस? लेक. LAKE लेक. LAKE लेक. लेक इज अ नेचुरल सोर्सेज. सो राइट हियर एन. सो राइट हियर एन. एंड नेक्स्ट, well. Which picture is this? Well. WELL well. Well is a man sources. So write here M. So write here M. Okay. Dam man made sources. Hand pump man made sources. River natural sources. Sea natural sources. Lake natural sources. And last, well man made sources. Okay. And last page, book number 2, page number 47. Circle the causes of air pollution, pollution. ANDN DRAW, draw a line, LINE line. CONNECTING, connecting. THEM, them. TO2, THE, the. EARTH, earth. INE, THE, the. CENTRE, center. Circle the causes of air pollution and draw a line connecting them to the earth in the center. जो यहाँ जो पिक्चर दिए गए हैं उससे एयर पॉल्यूशन होता है, उससे हमें मैच करना है. सो मैच. एंड नेक्स्ट, so match. So match them. And बाइक से भी एयर पॉल्यूशन होता है. एंड नेक्स्ट, फैक्ट्री का जो धुआं निकलता है उससे भी एयर पॉल्यूशन होता है. एंड नेक्स्ट, नो, ये बलून, ये पिक्चर और ये जो कप में हम टी होती है, मिल्क होता है, जो हॉट होता है, उससे जो एयर निकलती है उससे एयर पॉल्यूशन नहीं होता है. ओके, लुक हियर चिल्ड्रन, आई रिपीट विथ मी. नेचुरल सोर्सेज ऑफ water. Which picture is this? Rain. RAIN, rain. Which picture is this? RIVER, river. Which picture is this? Lake. LAKE, lake. Which picture is this? Sea. SEA, sea. So picture is natural sources of water. नेचुरल सोर्सेस ऑफ वाटर में कौन कौन से पिक्चर आते हैं? रेन, लेक, रिवर एंड सी. एंड नेक्स्ट मैन मेड सोर्सेस ऑफ वाटर, डैम, वेल, ओवरहेड टैंक एंड हैंड पंप. DAM डैम, WELL well, OVER over, HEAD head, TANK tank, overhead tank, HAND hand, PUMP head pump. And next write N for natural and M for man made sources of वाटर. जो नेचुरल सोर्सेज है उसमें हम N राइट करेंगे और जो मैन मेड सोर्सेज है उसमें हमें M राइट करना है. डैम, डैम इज अ मैन मेड सोर्सेज, सो राइट हियर M. हैंड पंप, मैन मेड सोर्सेज, सो राइट हियर M. एंड नेक्स्ट रिवर, रिवर इज अ नेचुरल सोर्सेज, सो राइट हियर N. Sea natural sources, so write here N. Lake natural sources, so write here N. And next well is a man made sources, so write here M.